I went with a couple of friends, and we just traveled all over Europe. I went back, actually, I wanted to find my roots. So one of the places we went to was Germany. And my father had told me about some old friends who stayed, who owned a restaurant. And we walked in, I was with two friends, and in those days it was like, you know, hair down to here and mustaches and wearing our, you know, bell bottoms and dirty. And I walked in and I said, "Hi, I'd like to meet," I forgot the guy's name, who owned the restaurant. And they looked at me like these dirty hippies, you know, from America. And then in Yiddish, I said to him, or in broken German, that I'm Zygmunt Lebowszewicz's son. And they were freaking out. And one came over to me, actually felt my arm, and he goes, "You must take after your mother," because I'm like as thin, and my father's this bulky guy. And they put a spread out. They didn't know what to do for us first. So, and we traveled all over Europe and had a good time. It was very difficult for me to be in Germany. I was very hostile, probably looking for fights whenever, here and there. And actually, and if I can be specific to one story, we were in a restaurant with me and my two friends, and we were drinking one night, and at the next table, there were 4 German men who appeared to be my father's age. And they were talking in German, and I could understand a lot of what they were saying. And I told my friends, I'm going over to sit at the table. And I started speaking to them, and I told them I was born in Germany. And they basically said, "Well, what part of the army was your father in?" And I said, "Auschwitz." And it was like a bomb hit the table. And everybody there denied. They didn't know anything. Nobody knew anything. And they actually invited us to a party that night. And I told my friends, "We're going." And we went, and we drank together, and it was very weird. There was no fights or anything, but I felt this hostility where eventually I just left. I had to leave. There was no forgiving on my side. It was very difficult. Because remember, it was very fresh, and you know, I was probably 20, so we're talking about pretty much 45 years ago. Yeah, it was difficult.